I'm gonna not show you now, but today it's something special. I know I haven't been posting for a while, so today it's gonna be extra special. Well, this is very good for the girls, because I know that girls like it. So guess what it is? 1, 2, 3. Mystery bag. Okay. It's mixed to family. You can't read it because it's on Norwegian. But yeah, let's open what we have. Because I have seen many videos, many have like get so good things, so I buy it, of course. And I'm gonna see if that's true, that it gives good things. Okay, let's see. Okay, the first thing is socks. Not too special, but good. Like, it's just, it says just love them. It's like sneaker socks. It says here, if you can read like backwards. But yeah, I like those socks. It's like really cute. I'm gonna use this for first day on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my class, oh my god. First day on school. On 6th class, or what it means. I don't know so much English. Yeah. Okay, the other thing is, oh my god, this one is really heavy. Okay. Okay, patches. It is patches, mixed size. Not really useful, but it's useful if you get like blood and those things. This is how it looks like. Okay. It's mixed size and waterproof. So yeah. Another thing. Oh, what is this? I don't know what it is. It's like, oh my god, it's so cute. It's for your straw. Like, see, you take it on your straw. It's cute and easy. Here is the things to do it, and many things. It's for kids. I'm a kind of a kid. Like, you're gonna stick it together like that. You could see, stick it together. Yeah, that was a good thing. Right? Okay, it's not many things. It's many socks. Another socks, but in white. Cute. Another socks. And this is good for party. Like, it has good quality. Stretchy. Like little strips. This is for girls that like pink, like me. I like black and white too. Now another thing. This is for your like house. You take it and it smells good in the air. Like, it has much sense inside. Like, you're taking this inside there, and then yeah, come the air, the perfume air out. It's air aroma diffuser. It's for, I don't know. Like, that's how it is. How you can do it. Yeah. Okay, this is the last tip at least. It's Body Superfood Body Cream. So it's body cream. Omega-6 with avocado oil. Dry to very dry skin. Sometimes it's my skin really dry, so this is good for me. Fast absorption. I can't read that. Body superfood. First 48 hours nourishing body cream. Hydrates skin up to 10 layers deep. So it's good thing. This is how it looks like. Yeah, and that was all. For me, it wasn't something special. What I liked about it should be the socks, because it's my favorite type of socks. And maybe this. I don't know. I don't really like those clusters or some of this because it's really like childhood, and I'm not like that type. So yeah, that was all. See you in the next video.